Hello guys, welcome to the undergraduate teacher. In today's lesson guys, we are looking at a question which came in Maths paper 1 2022 G12. The question was saying evaluate open bracket 3/2 close bracket negative 2, which was the what? The power. So what we need to understand guys is that this question, it is the grade 10 question which came in the exam. What you need to understand when you are given such a question, when you are given a power which is negative and you are given a fraction. So this you have to understand that this is just a simple question. All you need to do when you are given a negative power, any number the negative power, what you need to do, you need just to flip the fraction. That what it means that the number which is on top will go down, the number which is down will be on top. You have to just extend the flip the fraction. So that means you put the power now, it will be just power 2. That means you are done with the negative side. That's what you need to do. Now you have to put the power now. Each number you have to put the power 2 now. That means this number which is on top, it will be 2 to the power 2. Then the number which is down, it will be 3 to the power 2. So what you need to understand guys, that 2 to the power 2, it is the same as 2 times 2. It means this number which is down multiply itself 2 times, it will give you 4. Then when you say 3 to the power 2, it is not 2 times 3. It means 3 multiplied by itself 2 times. So it will give you 9. So now it will be 4 over 9. That's the answer. That's what you need to do. Guys, don't forget to like and follow or subscribe to my channel for more future lessons. You must always remember that the undergraduate teacher is where learning never stops. See you in the next video guys. Thank you for watching.